Well, Bribie Island, I'm going to give it another go. This is the inland track. While I'm airing down, this is what happened last time. Might end up walking. That's how much fuel I've got left. That's what I am. I'm about 20 k's away from entrance off of Bribie. This is Poverty Creek Campground. I haven't been here before, and wow, it's actually pretty good. It's well spread out. There's fire pits as well. I don't know what the bugs have been like in here. There's a bit of water lying around. We've had a fair bit of rain lately. You can see the campground over there. There's campers over there, and there's more campgrounds over there. There is a dump point here as well, which is fantastic. And toilets up there, and I saw some skippies here as well, some kangaroos. I reckon, I'm fairly confident you would get a small pop top caravan in here quite easily, especially down that track that we've just driven. Then apparently it gets pretty rough from here on in all the way down to the beach, but it's, yeah, this is really good. Quite like it. The inland track to Poverty Point Campground turned out to be pretty easy. There were a few soft spots here and there, but nothing that gave us much trouble. With the tyre pressures already sorted, we cruised along enjoying the scenery and the sense of adventure. It's like Tiwa over there. This is the exit onto Ocean Beach on Bribie Island. We took the inland track to get here because it was high tide. Today we got around about 11 o'clock when we started, and we've been mucking around a fair bit. It's not overly difficult track. I had my tyres at 18 psi all the way around. I probably could have got away with 22 psi quite easily on that track. Just set your tyre pressures accordingly and keep your momentum up, put it in full drive high and keep going. It's corrugated in spots and it's soft and sandy in other spots, but other than that it's not an overly hard track by any stretch. Yeah, so that's some of the harder tracks I've done before. This is definitely not it. I know there's a lot of talk online that it's super soft and all this, but it's not. Even the exits, it's soft, but it's nowhere near as soft as I thought it would be. Yeah. Would I take a van down there? No. It's not recommended for vans. When I'm talking about caravans, 18 foot, 19 foot vans, full size. Would I take a Jayco pop top? Damn right I would. Ton and a half I would. No issues at all. Anyway, beautiful day here on the beach. Well, our lunch today, chicken and salad wraps. And chicken and salad's really just chicken and lettuce with tomato and cheese and some sauce. I did have the chicken in the travel buddy, but it didn't get hot enough. Wasn't in there long enough to get hot. Oh, way too much. Too late now. You know. We're down the fort on Bribie, down the fort end. We just stopped short, we can't go any further. So I'm gonna have lunch here. Done the inland track. The inland track wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. The tyre pressures were about 18 psi. Anyway, easy days. Righto, let's go and eat. I want to say thank you to everybody for subscribing to the channel. It means the world to me. It means an absolute, it's I can't put it into words. I don't know how to thank you all for doing that. It means a lot. There are some videos that I'm working on, currently this one for Bribie Island, and I'm also working on a Starlink install video, not a mini, but mounted onto the cruiser, and hopefully we'll do a hip camp video next week, and maybe one or two after that, and that should see me up to Christmas. Yeah, thank you, all of you. It means a lot. Thank you to everyone who's subscribed, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me, and it helps the channel grow as well. This is campsite 12 and 13, I think it is. Good size area. If you've got a rooftop tent or a small camper trailer or something, you get in there, no worries. That one there's a bit smaller, but definitely a rooftop tent. Fire pit over there, and a fire pit here. Entrance up into these was really easy as well, so not, you know, not overly soft. Just need a bit of momentum. I suppose if you're heavy, you'd bog down a bit. Got the right footward solved that. Yeah, beautiful spot. Definitely camp here for a few days. So much better if I could have a dog here and Finn and I could come camping. Yeah, but no. Anyway, keep going I suppose. That's it everybody, thank you very much for watching, hope you enjoyed it. We will see you in the next one. Remember, if you haven't done it, hit that like and subscribe button or share it with your mates. It helps the channel grow. Thanks very much, cheers, see you in the next one.